At Samsung's earlier this year Galaxy Unpacked event, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 are scheduled to be unveiled. People have great hopes for these foldable phones, based on any rumors floating around. This is Samsung's opportunity to redefine the foldable device market. The OnePlus Open and Google Pixel Fold presented fierce rivalry for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, a small boost from last year. Here are the main rumored improvements of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. First up, the Galaxy Z Fold May 6 have an easier-to-hold and use bigger outside screen. Leaked images and videos demonstrate this shift, which thins the phone when folded and unfolded and enhances app use on the larger internal screen. Next, Samsung has been employing titanium because it is tougher and better at resisting drops and other damage. So the Galaxy Z Fold May 6 get a titanium frame akin to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which would make it more robust than the aluminum ones. Users of foldable phones frequently worry about the strain on the internal display. Samsung addressed this with the Galaxy Z Fold 5's gateless hinge, and the Z Fold May 6 go one step further by incorporating something called Iron Flex, which may increase the display's resistance to scratches, particularly from frequent folding. Better still would be if Samsung increased the brightness on both panels. The high-performance Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor found on smartphones, like as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, will power the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Heavily performance increases and energy improvements are what this means, regardless of where you get it. AI has been a hot topic in consumer electronics, and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is probably going to include it heavily. A major selling point of the Z Fold 6 is expected to be even more AI features linked to flex mode and improved multitasking, which were introduced to earlier Galaxy smartphones with the recent One UI 6.1 update, including the Z Fold 5. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.